friends, uh, welcome back. Today we are actually going to understand that how the filtration process in Microsoft Excel works. There are multiple ways. I am taking the dataset of various cities, the states, and the country where they belong to. This data has multiple occurrences of city, state, and country because this data has been taken care from a global sales uh, data store. And that particular data store has got, you can say, multiple occurrences of transactions happening in, you can say, those particular places, the superstores there. That's why I just chose three transactional columns, and if you look to it, you will find this is the first row, and if I say control down arrow key, you will find 51,290 different transactions are being recorded over here. For this, what we are going to do, we have to first of all control shift right arrow key, control shift down arrow key, and then we have to press control T. Now this control T is going to convert this entire selection into a table. As soon as I click this, you will find it has been converted into a table. Now for doing filtration, there are so many different ways. You will find that automatically there is a filter out here. So you can filter, suppose I want the details from India. I'm making this video from India, that's why. Okay, I will just select India and say okay. So all the transactions which have happened in India are there in front of me. Within India, I want to look forward to Uttar Pradesh because right now I am sitting in Uttar Pradesh and making this video for you. So you will find that Uttar Pradesh is there, and still there are so many rows where the transactions have happened in Uttar Pradesh. Further, I want to know, okay, which particular so right now I'm in the Ghaziabad state, which is in Ghaziabad city, which is in Delhi NCR, and you will find that there are two transactions which have happened in Ghaziabad. Okay, let us see the capital state. The capital city is Lucknow. So if I say select all and then choose LUCKNOW, sorry, it is wrongly entered. It is Lucknow, and Lucknow, if I say that there are quite a good number of transactions as compared to Ghaziabad. Now this thing, you can say, looks quite cumbersome. Let me make it quite easier for you, and this can be done just by going to say you can select any particular part over there, and you will find there is a table design. In table design, I am saying I am putting slicers because this entire table has got three columns: city, state, and country. So I want the slicers on behalf of country. I said country and okay. Just see the slicers are being there. So if I say I have to drag it down, it looks really cumbersome. So I would like to go and change the number of columns. I will take, say, suppose 4 columns. I just drag it and see they are being converted into 4 columns. Now it is still, I must say, easier to drag down because the scrolling will take much less efforts. Now over here, if I want the details from China, you see only China is there. If I want it from Canada, only Canada is there. I want it from Australia, only Australia is there. Just see, within no time the entire details are being considered, and you want to just want all the details back. You just have to cross it, clear the filter, and everything is back. So guys, this is something where I haven't used any pivot table or any other part. Even no use of any formula has taken place till now, but still I am able to filter it out within the data set provided in two different ways. I have shown you. Looking forward to see you in the upcoming videos. Thank you so much.